What's up, guys? Here's a quick tip if you're sharpening your own blades. If your spindle happens to be the oblong double D like this, I've seen this style on many mowers, Husqvarna, and let's see, I used to have what kind of mower did I have? I had a Yazoo Keys that had this style of spindle. Well, what happens is whenever you mount your blade on here, if you're not careful, and you can see where that double D is, if you were to mount this blade with that double D facing this way, you are now mounting that blade on top of debris, and it's not going to be level anymore, and it's going to vibrate like crazy. I'm going to use my flap disc, and we're going to shave off all of this debris before we put these blades on. All right, so I kind of want to show you what I'm talking about. Just take your flap disc and just make this surface smooth again. Because like I said, if you were to mount this on, say, 90 degrees, you're going to be mounting it on debris, and that's not going to be good. One thing that can happen if you do it and you don't pay attention, the blades can basically get loose because you're not able to tighten them up all the way. So I'll show you how to do this in just a second. I already did this one. I got 2 more to do. I love using these flap discs over a regular grinding disc. The metal stays a lot cooler and there's less sparks, and they seem to just last longer. I got about 40 hours on these blades, and it's just absolutely time to sharpen them. Alrighty guys, hey, I hope this little bit of information helped you out, and I know it did. Give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and while you're there doing that, go ahead and click that bell so that you get all of my new videos. And by the way, there's a little heart over there. If you do feel so inclined to click on that heart, it would help the channel out tremendously. Y'all have a good rest of your weekend. More Medic One.